Hello guys, Miko here, and in this I will show you how to download and install the editor that we will be using in this course, and it's called Visual Studio Code. You can also use some other editor like Atom or JetBrains WebStorm or something like that, or even Sublime Text, but I recommend we will do VS Code. So we will write VS Code like so, and here in my case is the top one. What you should look like https code.visualstudio.com. Click on it, and then you see the download for Windows button that you can click on. You can also choose a version between Windows, macOS, and Linux. So when you have downloaded that, all you need to do is run the installation file and just follow the steps, and you will have it installed. And when you open the VS Code, it will look like this. So that was this for this lecture. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next lecture.